Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping up to the plate with a home run theme. Baseball birthday party decoration ideas. Whether your kid's a little slugger or you're planning a party for a baseball fan, this video is packed with creative, fun, and easy decoration tips. From table setups to DIY centerpieces, we've got ideas that score big. Let's make your party feel like a day at the ballpark. You don't need to break the bank, just a few clever tricks and a lot of team spirit. So grab your glove, put on your cap, and let's dive into the fun. Don't forget to watch till the end for the complete party setup ideas. What's a great way to set the party theme at the entrance? Start with a welcome to the ballpark sign at the gate. Use red, white, and blue balloons, or a DIY arch in baseball colors. Add mini bats, baseball cutouts, or hanging paper lanterns. Place artificial turf or green carpet to mimic the field. Add chalk lines like a real baseball diamond for fun. This instantly sets the tone and excites your guests. It's all about first impressions. Make it sporty and fun. If you like this idea, give this video a thumbs up and keep watching for more. How to create fun and themed centerpieces. Fill clear vases with mini baseballs or red-white candy. Add a mini bat, baseball glove, or even team flags. Place foam fingers or pennants on sticks for height. Use turf mats or grass-style runners beneath centerpieces. You can even make paper baseball flowers for a twist. Use team logos or player cards for added detail. These make your tables pop with personality. Let us know your favorite centerpiece idea in the comments. How to decorate the party table with a baseball theme. Use a green tablecloth to mimic a baseball field. Place red and white plates with striped napkins. Add mini baseballs or helmets as table centerpieces. Use snack trays labeled hot dogs, popcorn, and peanuts like a stadium stand. Create a scoreboard-style name card for each guest. Don't forget baseball-themed confetti or placemats. Themed tables really bring your party to life. Hit the like button if you'd love to try. What are some budget-friendly backdrop ideas? Hang a large poster of a baseball stadium or make one from cardboard. Use red and white streamers as a photo booth background. Hang a DIY scoreboard with the birthday, age, and name. Add baseball jerseys or caps on a clothesline-style display. You can even make a wall of paper plates painted like baseballs. Use dollar store items and get creative. It makes a great photo spot for guests. Comment below if you want DIY backdrop templates. What can be done for a cool cake or dessert table setup? Decorate the dessert table with a concession stand sign. Use cupcake toppers shaped like baseballs or gloves. Add jars filled with themed candy, red licorice, gumballs, etc. Use a cake shaped like a baseball or jersey with the birthday number. Create labels like double play donuts or pitcher's popcorn. Use green grass mats under desserts for a field vibe. Add pennants or bunting for flair. Like and share if you'd love to create a dessert stand like this. What games or activity stations fit the theme? Set up a pitching booth with soft balls and a target. Create a mini T-ball or base running game. Have a craft station where kids can decorate foam fingers or visors. Add a DIY photo booth with props like bats, helmets, and scoreboards. Organize a scavenger hunt for baseball items. Provide baseball trivia cards for a sit-down game. Activities keep the energy up and fun rolling. Drop a comment if you want a full activity list. How to wrap up the party with themed goodie bags. Use brown paper bags labeled snack pack or all-star kit. Fill with baseball cards, bubble gum, toy bats, or baseball erasers. Add a thank you tag with phrases like "you knocked it out of the park." Use red ribbon or baseball stickers for decoration. Add a mini water bottle labeled Team Fuel. Keep it useful, fun, and sporty for kids. Guests will leave with a smile and great memories. Hit the like button if you love thoughtful goodie bags. And there you have it. A full game plan for the ultimate baseball-themed birthday party. From entry to exit, your party can feel like a fun-filled day at the stadium. All you need is a little creativity, team spirit, and these simple decoration tips. Whether it's a backyard bash or an indoor celebration, you've got this. Don't forget to personalize your party with the birthday star's favorite team colors. Make sure to capture the fun with lots of photos and laughter. A baseball party is more than just decor. It's a full experience. Thanks for joining today. You're officially ready to throw a grand slam celebration. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite party tip. Want more fun and easy party inspiration? Hit that follow button. Your support keeps the creativity flowing. New videos drop every week with fresh celebration themes. Thanks for being here. Let's make every party unforgettable. See you in the next one. Keep celebrating like a champ.